Be there. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us face when it comes to managing our digital photos. The problem we're diving into is the overwhelming task of organizing and decluttering our photo libraries. Let's be honest, we all have thousands of photos scattered across various devices, and finding a specific picture can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's time to find a solution to this photo organization nightmare. Now, let's talk about the solution to this daunting problem. The key to tidying up your photo collection lies in using a dedicated software tool like PhotoSweeper. This solution allows you to quickly and efficiently sort through your photos based on various criteria, such as duplicates, similar images, and even videos. With the ability to compare photos side by side, you can easily select which ones to keep and which ones to delete, streamlining the decluttering process. Say goodbye to hours of manual sorting and hello to a neatly organized photo library in no time. In addition to using PhotoSweeper, another helpful solution is to create a systematic folder structure for your photos. By categorizing your images into folders based on events, locations, or dates, you can easily locate specific photos whenever you need them. This simple yet effective solution can make a world of difference in managing your photo collection and keeping it organized for the long term. In summary, tackling the problem of photo organization requires a multi-pronged approach. Utilizing tools like PhotoSweeper and establishing a structured folder system are key steps in regaining control over your digital photo library. So, get started on decluttering today and say goodbye to the photo chaos. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with your favorite photo organizing tip. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a well-organized photo library is truly priceless.